Ford Ranger owners sometimes experience shuddering or vibrations when accelerating, especially in models with the 10-speed automatic transmission. This issue often feels like a rhythmic vibration through the steering wheel or seat, typically occurring during gear shifts or when applying torque. Key causes include transmission problems like clutch slippage or binding due to software glitches, low fluid levels, or wear. Fuel system issues like dirty injectors can also cause misfires that manifest as shudders. Other factors can be worn engine mounts, driveshaft imbalances, or spark plug fouling. Symptoms usually start subtly at lower speeds and worsen over time, potentially indicating progressive damage. If you experience shuddering, it's important to address it promptly to prevent further issues. To diagnose shuddering, start by scanning the vehicle's computer for error codes related to the transmission, such as P0730 for gear ratio errors. Then, check the transmission fluid level and condition. It should be bright red and not foamy or pink. Ford has issued recalls like ENSA Campaign ID 24V541 and technical service bulletins such as 24-0015, which fix shudder through software updates and transmission control module reprogramming. Many fixes are available over the air through the Ford Pass app, allowing remote reprogramming of the transmission control module to patch software glitches causing shudder. Regular transmission service every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is crucial. This includes fluid flushes and checks to maintain proper levels and prevent degradation that leads to shudder. For high-mileage vehicles or persistent issues, hardware replacements like remanufactured transmissions or fuel injector cleaning may be required. Owners report success with these fixes, but proactive maintenance is essential.